Hello everyone, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is June 16th, 2025, and we're taking a close look at Apple stock, APL. We'll be analyzing recent news and events, and diving into the candlestick data to see what insights we can glean. First, let's recap some recent news. According to Google search, Apple closed at $196.45 on June 13th, down 1.38% from the previous close. The stock has been showing negative performance recently. It's down 3.23% in the past week, 7.52% in the past month, and 8.52% year-over-year. However, Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives reiterated an outperform rating with a $270 price target, citing optimism about Apple's AI execution. Morningstar believes the stock is fairly valued at $200 per share. Concerns about WWDC 2025 and slow AI progress are headwinds, while tariff concerns and competition also play a role. Let's switch to the charts to correlate. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a clear downtrend over the past few months, particularly accelerating into June. Notice the large red candles in early April and again in the past few days. The recent decline aligns with some of the negative news we discussed earlier, such as concerns over AI development progress. Potential tariffs impacting sales could also be contributing. However, Wedbush's positive outlook suggests a potential for a reversal. Let's zoom in on the shorter timeframes to see if there are any signs of a bottom. On the hourly chart, we observe significant volatility, with prices fluctuating within a relatively tight range. There isn't a clear indication of strong support or resistance at this level. We can see a recent sell-off. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart for further clarity. This will show us a closer look at the price action for June 13th. On the 15-minute chart, we can see the last day of trading, and it seems to be rather flat. The support level is likely in the 195.70 to 196.00 range. As you can see, the price tests these levels multiple times and the candle bounces. The stock has been in a falling trend and is expected to fall -5.77% during the next 3 months, holding a price between $153.75 and $195.32 per stocky invest. U.S. summary. There's a buy signal from the 3-month MCD, but sell signals from short and long-term moving averages. In summary, Apple is facing short-term headwinds. Key levels to watch are the support around $195.70 and resistance around $200. A break below support could lead to further declines, while a break above resistance could signal a potential reversal. Be wary of a downtrend continuing. As stated in the Google search summary, there is a sell signal issued from a pivot top point on May 1st, 2025, and further fall is indicated. It's crucial to monitor news regarding AI developments, tariff policies, and overall economic conditions to gauge market sentiment. Keep an eye on those reports. This is Explain the Charts. Thanks for watching.